Enel has always been a company that had a priority on the local communities. The typical customer doesn't even know what does he want. So it's first of all our job and our priority to provide him with a solution that will make his life simpler, cheaper.
Our team help you to save money by checking all the bills for you.
Here in Colombia, we are managed from last year a lot of projects. For example, in the coast, there are a lot of community because it's like a part of the big cities. So right now we are working with the community. We have a department that work and develop a strategy for them. We look for them to work with us in the project.
We started the Green Campus campaign with Ministry of Environment, Korea Environment Corporation, and 25 different universities.
We take care of the environment of the place where we live in. And Alex wants to change people's lives.
We want to train people from the local community and employ them for the time the project is going to be on.
That's why the people were the main priority for the company. And that's why the NLX takes the bait and drives its businesses in the way of making people's life easier.